Anagha Koka here. Welcome to my food channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you a very instant and very delicious recipe, that is Matar ki sabji in a pressure cooker. Very ideal for people who stay in a hostel or bachelors, as this is super quick, super healthy and super nutritious too. So let's watch how to make this particular recipe, and if you have liked it, do hit the like and subscribe to my channel Anagha recipes in case if you have liked this video. So let's watch how to make this Matar ki sabji in a pressure cooker.